Okay, we have on the left the new W King X10. On the right, the W King D9, which is fairly new, released late 2000 or 2020, excuse me. We're going to run these and see which one sounds the best. And we're going to use dun, 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 copyrighted music. We'll see how far this gets us. Mr. Hand will point to the speaker playing. He's already designated the X10. This is going to be 40%, both in EQ1. Here we go. You don't know me yet. Big Daddy Kane. Get it, Big Daddy.
As I start the rain, attack this nigga, making the rappers on the bandwagon. Feel the fury. Men are slaves, so send the aid, cause I penetrate. Better mess up, with lyrics I dress up, so don't even mess up. I'm trying to press up, it's better to press up. Even if a rapper ever goes too far, man, I start to screaming on them scenes like Tarzan. To witness the glare when I appear, run to compare, so take. You gotta understand, he's just a man, so next to the man, so next to the man, so next to the man. And no one fire comes higher than the Messiah, sparking the mic like a live wire till I retire. Whatever the coffins, I burn them like fire, we're throwing them below. I hit them hard like fire, so take your hand and fold, it's a solo control.
Change tracks, still 40%. Fly girl. Let's go up to 60%. %.
A fly girl is a girl who wants you to see her name, her game, and her ability. 2 gold teeth and cold cash money. The guys are on a strap. She tends to act funny. And I'll be back to fly girl. I wanna be with you. You're not the prettiest thing, girl, but that's okay. Your painted on jeans make you fresh anyway. Like it ain't no thing. You've got a name chain and a name earring. Your father is a doctor, a lawyer, or a king. Take me in your car, let's go for a swing. One day you're gonna be at the top of the world. And
change tracks.
Michael, please make the bass come out so clear. Please. I'm asking you, KB. Ready?
Yeah, ready?
Stick on. Let's go up to 80%.
With fresh beats and rhymes collide, the result is a hop and a fat boy fights to get ready for this. We give it all no slack, you guessed it. The fat boys are back. And cool on. And for you to think about one time in your mind. Amazing to the eye, devastating to the
Change
ear.
tracks.
Game I used to play. When I was little, I used to say, I got the X and I got the O. It don't matter when you tic-tac-toe. bolder. I like to play just a little bit older. I like getting girls and giving the pearls and them legs across my shoulders. I love to go to the disco, see a fly girl say hello. They just look me in the eye and pass right by with that booty shaking like jello. I like to speak cause that's being nice. It makes me mad when I have to speak twice. But that's the game that girls like to play. It's just tic-tac-toe in a grown-up way. X and O.
Change tracks. Let's go 100%.
I'm the Godfather. I'm the Godfather. Of rap.
100%.
Well, let's get this straight, there's no contest. So now you people know and don't have to guess. I'm not the king of rap, not Lord, not Prince. I was a young kid rapping, I've been rocking ever since. I was just a young funk. I didn't care what MCs were ever with another uttered a butt, cause I'm the Godfather.
Got love for my homies who be rolling with me. Play no games, cause ain't nobody playing with me. I got love for my niggas. I got love for the ghetto, down for whatever you was down before, and you still got me down.
So there you go, everybody. That's the X10 versus the D9. Let me know what you think. I think the X10 is gets a little bit better bass. This was on EQ1 mode. Yeah, I mean, they're comparable. I mean, volume-wise and everything. They touted the X10 as like a super bass speaker, and it is a good speaker, but I think they oversold that a little bit. Anyway, let me know what you guys think about the comparison of the two. Like and subscribe. I appreciate the support. That's a wrap.